Hey guys, Andrew here with PastorBlogs.com. This is a tutorial where we're going to walk through step number 6 of our Get Started checklist, and we are going to be checking off box number 6 for connecting our own domain. This first video will cover that. You'll probably be able to scroll down a little bit, and we will be covering some of the low-key SEO options that you might say, SEO, search engine optimization, and a few of the site admin settings that you might or might not want to change before taking your site live. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to jump over to this site I have. You'll see up here at the top, right now it's churchtools.pastorblogs.com, probably like many of your sites are. And so I went from my dashboard and I came down here and I clicked on account. And that's the page I'm on right now, is my account page. And you'll see over here that you can set a custom domain for your site. And what we want to do is, I forget which domain I want to use here. This is Google Domains. I always recommend getting a domain from Google Domains. And I'm just going to work on churchleadertools.com. And so I'm going to type in my domain here, churchleadertools.com. And I am going to set that custom domain and click OK. And what we need to do next is we need to take this IP address. It says point in an A record to the following IP address. I know that's nerd talk and seems a little weird, but that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm going to copy this address, this series of numbers, and I'm going to jump back over to my Google Domains account. And what I want to do is manage the DNS. And I'm going to scroll down to my custom records area, and I want to make, it says make an A name record pointing towards this. And so you're just going to click at there, and then you're going to paste in the IP address and click add. And what I also like to do is make sure that the www address is updated as well. So I click www and I paste in the name and click add. And what you'll notice is that if you click on check domain status, at times it's going to take a little bit for this to catch up. So in essence, when you update the DNS, you're going to have to wait for a little while. It's kind of like the internet is talking to itself and finding out where your website's pointing now. And depending on where you have that domain, whether it's GoDaddy, Google, somewhere else, it might take longer or shorter for the domain to talk to itself. But rest assured, after you update that record, after a number of hours, you can come and check back, and you should be able to go right to the domain that you mapped it to, and it should show up there.